Welcome back to another video. For those following who saw the last video, this one, as you've seen from the title as well, is going to be a catch up on what I've done on the Mk4 at the moment. So I know I haven't done one for a while. So the last video I did was me trying to weld some of the holes up. Now I didn't do a video of those because there's a lot of criticism on welding and things like that. So yeah, I've just been at it, going over it, trying to make it better and better. What I'll do now is put in some of the clips and photos of basically just skipping through that process, because I know I didn't want to bore you guys doing endless welding videos that are not very good. So yeah, I'll put those in now just for you to see. Okay, so just a bit more of an update. Made this hole slightly bigger, even more bigger, but at least it's more of a square, so I don't have to mess around trying to angle all the funny bits around here. But at the moment, just made a template, as you can see, for this bit, which will strengthen this inner wing, which I'm going to weld along here, clean this up a little bit after, go across, and then obviously weld onto this new back plate. What I'm going to do as well, just to make it a bit stronger, is weld it across here and drill the what you call it, the holes across, because obviously I don't want to be welding on the bottom, doesn't look very good. So just drill a hole when this template's made up, maybe one there and one there, and that will help bind this over to that and strengthen this up. What I don't want is someone to jack it up around here and all this to collapse, so make it a little bit stronger. Okay, so the inevitable has happened and I'm actually out of flux core, so I do need to order some more, but while I do, I'll just show you what I've done today. It's quite hard to record sometimes when I'm doing this, so I think updates are a little bit better. So this plate's now on, and the line across there. I did forget to drill some holes, but there's another plate that's going on there that comes around to this top side, so I will make sure I do that. But I have welded down across there, and need to tidy this bit up, but that's not going anywhere on there. So yeah, right, with this bit, obviously you can see what I've done there. That bit's done, this bit hasn't been done yet, so just started doing that bit. I've just done the back side, and it's not going anywhere. I just need to bend that back a bit because it's just a bit too far forward, and do up here. Now I've gone higher up just to add more strength, because obviously it's not the strongest down at this bottom section, and it's only a little rubber air vent that goes in there anyway. So once I get some more, I can finish this section off and start on this bit. So I just need to weld on this back side here and push it back a little bit further. I need to cut that off because that's just old metal, it's not really doing that much. And I can weld down here, give it some support there, and basically cut that bit off. Maybe just weld all the way around, and that should give that some support as well. Now this back bit, when I put this section on from top to bottom, I'm going to make it a little bit longer, cut it, and then I should be able to bend it round, giving it that lip. So I just need to add a little plate on this back side here just to cover this little hole, and maybe just cut that off. It's a bit too long, don't know yet, I might leave it, we'll see. So yeah, that's where I'm at the moment. So not much of an update, but it's slowly coming together. So I say not the neatest, but hopefully it's it should be okay, I'm hoping. Time we'll find out. So what I've got at the moment is, I'll just turn the camera around. Yeah, I've still got the interior stripped. Open the boot. So yep, it's a bit dark. Just got the welder and a few bits in the back, but all the interior's out. I'll show it back up. The car is mega filthy at the moment. Get a good picture. There we go. So yeah, it needs a wash. As we say down here, I've got to a point. Light on. So as you can see, I've welded up, the outer sill. I've just put some filler on it just to make it a bit better. I was waiting for that to dry and then I'll sand it up, and hopefully that bit's done. But yeah, nice and strong, that bit now. The other bit, can't really see, but there's a section under there. Just going to get some steam weld for the seals around there, and then that bit will be done. And hopefully, say, get some under seal on that, and that'll tidy that up. And let's go all the way across. So when that's all done, I've just realised that I've got the handbrake cable which is here. I need to clean that thread up and drill a hole on this underside here. I forgot to do that, so that can be pushed back into the seal on the side. So once that's done, I'm going to check the other side just in case there's any holes on there, and hopefully if not, then the fuel tank can go back on, and we'll try and get the car started again. So yeah, just a quick video to show you where I am at the moment for those that are following this build thread. I know, I'll say, I've not done many videos on it, but I've had quite a lot of criticism with the welding, so just for that sake alone, I've decided just to skip that bit. So yeah, that's now covered, and yeah, so just going to order some new bits, and then that side should be done.